Now that we've set up all of our databases, these bottom 4 sections, we can start managing our jobs in the top 6 sections. So we'll start by looking at jobs. So let's select jobs in the left column, and here you'll see a list of all of your active jobs. You'll also be able to sort by on hold jobs, completed, canceled, and all jobs. If we want to add a new job, we'll go over to the top right corner and we'll select Create Job. Here we'll add in job information, selecting what the contract type is, whether it's per ton, lump sum, composite, or byproduct. You can put the performance bond in, the job status, whether it's active, on hold, completed, or canceled, and then the harvest type, whether it's a first thinning, second thinning, select cut, clear cut, or mix. You can also check whether you want to hold payment on this job and whether the performance bond has been collected or not. You'll also be able to slide this bar from whether it's wet and less accessible or whether it's dry and very accessible or most accessible. So you'll move this to the appropriate spot in the continuum. Here you can add in your vendors. You can select from the vendors that we added before. This is your list of all of your vendors. And you can add in user permissions here if you wanted to add a user that you wanted to give this person access to the app. You can do that here as well as you can in vendors. And if you did that, then you could select what their permissions were here and set them up. If you wanted to add more details to this user, then you could go into vendors over here and add in the additional details that you needed to add for this person. For the security tag namespace, you'll need to add letters before your security tag number. So for example, GA-101. Here you'll enter your contract end date by selecting it on the map or on the calendar. And then if you need to add a contract extension, you can do that here as well. You can add a lump sum amount here by selecting your vendor and the amount of the lump sum. Add another one as well. So here, you can add any notes that you need to add about this job, and then you can add location information. So you'll either want to add the address location information or you'll want to add the GPS coordinates, like the latitude and longitude and map number, parcel number as the identifier. So select one of these. So either enter in the address information or add in the GPS coordinates. If you add in both of them, it'll put 2 points, 2 pins on your map, and it'll be confusing. You only need to add in one of those for your location information. So we'll select save, and that's going to send you to back to this list of active jobs.